I discovered that typing CAPTCHAs is the simplest way to earn $1 per minute. You believe I am kidding? So let's begin by talking about the app and website to CAPTCHA.com. Although this website does not offer the best pay, I will show you another one later. So make sure to stay tuned because I'll be ranking this from the website with the lowest payout to the one with the highest payout. Further, this is a fantastic website to use as a starting point. As you can see, you may solve CAPTCHAs for as little as $1 for 1,000 of them. There are many companies that use computers to operate their operations. They'll need us to crack the CAPTCHAs for them because, as we all know, computers can't crack these kinds of CAPTCHAs. Instant payment is available, and getting started is incredibly simple. No prior knowledge or specialized abilities are required. The website that comes next on our list is megatypers.com. Easy job, easy money, as you can see below. By just entering CAPTCHAs, you can earn typer credits worth more than $200 every single month. This webpage carries a lot of weight. They have users from all around the world that sign up to answer CAPTCHAs on their website. Again, this is simply our list's second highest paying website. The highest earning one is currently known as colotibabielo.com. As you can see, there are stable jobs available for everyone and everywhere. Thus this one is also accessible globally. Additionally, you can see that since 2007, this website has been operational and compensating its members. They have an accurate statistics system in place, which allows them to track your progress and payment with great accuracy. The best thing is that customers are being paid promptly via a variety of payment methods. And if you scroll down, you'll see many users from all around the world sharing their reviews of this website, including how easy it is to use and how much money they have made using it. The main drawback, if there is one, to using these websites is that you won't make enough money with them, necessitating the need for other side income.